Welcome back to Our Story Has Paused. Perimenopause, menopause, and postmenopause. This is what my page is about. My name is Rosalina, and that was hard to say because I'm so private and I wasn't sure if I wanted to continue to share my story. Excuse me if you see like smoke or something. During this transition for me, my best friend is coffee, and unfortunately, it's tobacco. So if I dip off at any video and you see smoke in the back or vape or whatever it is, it's tobacco. And you will most likely always see coffee because that is like the one thing that helps me in my head and it makes my body feel good. I wanted to jump on real quick and say thanks everybody for the messages, for the encouragement. Like I said in my previous video, I'm winging this. My advice is just my experiences. I am trying to communicate me. I'm not always going to be able to satisfy with giving politically right words and staying on the same topic. I'm going to jump around. That's just what is happening in the change of my own body and mind. Everything is different. I might not always be bubbly when I'm communicating, but either way, I plan to see this through and not get discouraged with wondering who, why, and when I should record myself sharing with the world my experiences. I just want to be able to give what's in my head. I want to verbalize it or at least show that other women are not by themselves. And I'm sure I'll get better at not being so standoff and nervous. The foggy brain stuff, I can't help that. I'm going to pause. I'm sure I'm going to say stuff that other people probably wouldn't say would be okay, but it's my experiences and it's just how I'm feeling. But everybody have a good day, the rest of your day. Stay cool. God knows I'm always hot. See, I had to hold back my choice of words. It's hot. It's always hot. Thank you and welcome again to Our Story Has Paused.